Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use Canva for different type of designing. Install Canva app and open it, and here you can design so many things related to your business, for your personal work, for your social media, and you can find so many options here. You can see, you can design poster, your cover, your stories, your Facebook post, flyers, phone wallpapers, logos, Twitch banner, invitation cards, certificates, and there you can find your stories, Instagram posts. You can have so many pre-designed posts. You just need to edit and change it into as per your choice. And your stories, logos. If you want a startup, you can make logos so easily, posters for your business, for your social media, and then phone wallpapers. You can get thousands of options of phone wallpapers, and then photo collage. You can choose any picture, add it and put on your picture. Facebook post, pre-designed Facebook post, flyers, and so many options in flyers. And then invoices, e-invoice you can generate so easily. Menus, if you're into restaurant business, you can design your menu cards, invitation cards for any sort of event or parties. And then the mobile videos, you can make invitation cards, and then YouTube videos, resumes. You can have so many resume options, and then cards, landscape design, Facebook cover photos, and then business cards, your visiting cards, and then gift certifications, and then certificate landscape. So you can have Canva Pro. You can try Canva Pro, and in Pro you can have so many more options, and you will be able to use it professionally. So then you can have a lot many other options, like you can create presentations, desktop version and mobile version of presentations, all are available. Then you can make videos. There are a lot many options: video messages, mobile videos, TikTok videos, YouTube videos, video collage, and you can choose design ad videos, LinkedIn ad, Facebook ad, Instagram reels, Facebook reels. You can find so many options from this. It's a wonderful app to use. Here you can see the LinkedIn video ads, and then TikTok video demos are available, and you can make so easily by simply clicking on edit. And then you can make or design your website, your personal website, your business website. There are so many pre-designed solutions are available, and you have to pick just one, and then you can make any sort of website from here. And in more, you can find a lot many features. So Canva is a wonderful app. As much as you use it, you will enjoy it, and it will reduce your time, your cost, and improve your skills. Thank you.